In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make remix song in Suno AI. We'll take a track you already have in Suno and turn it into a fresh remix using the built-in editor and a few smart tweaks. Start by opening Suno in your browser and heading to the Discover area. From there, go to your library so you can see the songs you've previously generated or saved. This is the quickest way to build on something that already works. Pick the song you want to rework, then open the remix options. Depending on the version you see, this might be labeled remix, reuse prompt, create similar, or extend plus edit. Any of these options will load the original song's settings into the editor so you're not starting from a blank page. You'll keep the essence of the original while gaining room to experiment. Next, open Advanced. This reveals the detailed controls that shape the sound and feel of your remix and is where the real sculpting happens. You can edit the lyrics. Small changes go a long way. Keep the rhythm of each line close to the original so the vocal phrasing stays natural. If you update a chorus hook, try to match syllable counts and use line breaks to indicate where phrases should fall. Clear punctuation helps the model understand pauses and emphasis. Now adjust the styles. Choose genres, moods, and descriptors that match your target vibe. 2 or 3 well-chosen styles usually guide the model better than a long list. Think of them as a compass rather than a script. If the original leaned bright and upbeat, balance your choices so the remix keeps energy without becoming cluttered. Click more options to fine-tune the performance. Set the vocal gender to match the character you're after. If you're not sure, leave it at the default and focus on the rest of the sound first. You can always circle back after you hear a draft. Tweak weirdness to control how adventurous the remix gets. Lower values keep it closer to the original idea. Higher values invite more experimental melodies, textures, and structure. Move in small increments and listen for how it affects coherence versus surprise. Style influence lets you decide how strongly those style tags shape the outcome. Turn it up if you want the remix to lean hard into the genres you selected. Turn it down for a subtler touch that preserves more of the original character. Audio influence determines how much the original song's audio guides the new version. Raise it for a faithful remix. Lower it to encourage a bolder reinterpretation and fresh arrangement choices. You can also change the song title. A descriptive title makes it easier to track versions as you experiment and compare takes. When everything looks good, click Create to generate the remix. Suno will produce 2 versions with new instrumentation and a changed production style so you can compare intros, grooves, and vocal feel, then pick the one that best captures your vision.